Hi, Tim Bigham back again this week. And really not a lot has happened in the past week other than this relentless kind of grind higher in the equity markets. Finally saw a slight down day on the S&Ps and the Dow yesterday, although the NASDAQ was up again. So looking positive again this morning as I speak. So in essence, we've been up virtually 8 straight days on the S&P 500 here. The VIX, a measure of implied volatility, did break below 14 yesterday, perking up a little bit today, which may be a sign that the short-term kind of top is in place. Some of the guys may be using the VIX and some out-of-the-money puts, which are reflected in the VIX pricing, to hedge some of their positions given the rally we've had. And I'm kind of the same ilk, but more from a speculative play, given the fact that volume is abysmal, to say the least. Yesterday's volume about 30% lower than normal. E-mini contract barely traded over 1 million contracts. Steve at the office mentioned that to me. So given the fact that we have this kind of just relentless move higher on absolutely no volume, I think probabilities favor buying some puts, especially given the fact that the VIX, which is a measure of option prices, is at a 7-year low. So I'm buying some SPY September 141 puts right at the money here. Just looking again to position for a short-term pullback. We did the same trade last week, made a quick scalp, looking to do the same thing here today. On a different front, Facebook would be another stock I'm looking at. We have the lockup period expiring come Thursday. Should see about 250 million shares perhaps coming to market. That will be a short-term kind of negative, or at least a non-positive for Facebook over the next couple weeks. So I'm kind of negative to indifferent on Facebook short-term. Longer term, technically, that $20 level held pretty nicely in here. So I kind of like Facebook to maybe grind its way higher once we get through this lockup period. So I'm doing a calendar spread, positioning longer term bullish by buying September 21 calls, and short term kind of bearish to indifferent by selling August 21 calls to help deflect some of that cost. Looking for Facebook to struggle this week. Expiration of August is this Friday, and then grind its way higher. Other than that, we'll wait and see where this market goes. Retail sales came out today that were on the surface very good, but once you look at the adjustment, maybe not so good. So a lot of these numbers are coming in very weak. It's really that free money aspect that continues to move this market higher. It better happen pretty soon. You know, as Jerry Maguire said, show me the money. At some point, they're going to have to actually get some QE3 or something out of Europe of some magnitude, I think, to have this rally continue. So until then, this is Tim Bigham. As always, position size accordingly and have those stops in place. Thank you.